Okay, y'all. I'm here, y'all. I'm here. I'm finally back, y'all, doing what I love to do. I miss y'all. Did you miss me? I just feel like it's been a long time. It's been a minute since the last time I dropped a video, which I think was like in December. So yeah, I guess it's been a little minute, but y'all, I promise you, it's been for good reason. If you don't believe me, check this out right here. Man, kind of crazy, man, kind of surreal. Literally, like, I mean, I built my whole YouTube career off of this one space, man. So I just kind of want to bring this message to you guys, and I'm kind of out of breath right now because, like, literally I've been loading boxes and taking them all down there and all that kind of stuff like that. But I just want to let you guys know, man, it doesn't matter where you guys start, just get started, y'all. Like, for real, man, because I would have never known that I would have created such a space like this to be able to create content, meet with so many different people and all these different things like that, man. So truly blessed, truly humble, man, to finally be moving on to the next chapter of my YouTube journey, of my creator journey. And bittersweet, man. Bittersweet to finally say goodbye to this space, but I am looking forward to the new space. So definitely make sure you guys stay tuned to that, because I'm telling y'all, that space is gonna be fire. So that brings us to this space right here. So during that time off, Ashley and I, we decided to buy a new home. And with this house, y'all, it was something where we really wasn't expecting to actually buy a house. We were just kind of like, you know what, let's just go look. Let's go get an agent or whatever, and let's just kind of see some of the houses that's out here. Now, again, a lot of people was like, well, the interest rates are crazy high. But the crazy thing about it is, although the interest rates are higher, the prices of homes were actually lower. So the fact that we were able to get this house here for a lower cost, although the interest rates are high, you know, let's just say when things starts to level itself back out, we're gonna gain a lot of equity in this home based on the other homes that's in this area which we decided to live in. So it was a smart decision for us to kind of do this and trying to jump into a new venture, new space, and all that. It just kind of made sense during this time. But just to be transparent with y'all, man, we was in that space for a little over 10 to 12 years, and it was just time for us to upgrade to something bigger and something better. So we did just that. Now, all I'm gonna say is, y'all, there's nothing, and I mean nothing like having more space to put all your junk in. Now, what that means is, with this space here, is I'm gonna be starting a new series that's gonna be called Teaching Smart Home with CKid. Now, I don't know if that's the final name and all of that, but basically it's gonna be a series where I'm gonna be showing you all how to tech out your smart home, and you guys are gonna see me do the exact same thing within our space here. And I'm just gonna show you guys the planning process of it and walking you guys through the buying experience, meaning like what you guys should actually buy and why I'm actually buying it for our space, and also how to actually set it up, the best features and how to actually use it and all that. And the last thing is where you guys can buy it for yourself, so that way you can get in on this as well. So full transparency, y'all, with that, I'm actually trying to work out a deal with my favorite store, which I'm pretty sure y'all already know by now and can guess it. It's Best Buy, because again, they are my go-to for smart home stuff and just kind of like just tech stuff in general. So if you guys want to see that, I want you guys right now, do me a favor right now. I want you to pause this video. I want you to go to Best Buy Instagram account that I'm gonna have right up here on the screen, and on their latest post right now, I think it's this post right here, I want you guys to go spam under there right now. We want at CKid TV, at me in the post, smart home tech collab right now. Now, I think that's gonna be funny, y'all. I can't wait to see y'all comment that. But yeah, for real, go do that right now. But everything aside, man, I'm actually humbled as well as grateful to just be able to make the leap that we made, because another thing that I really didn't get to tell you guys just yet is that we actually decided to keep the other property, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump into the rental real estate world as well, and just kind of learn that business and that side of the world, and just continue to grow as a couple, grow individually as well as grow financially, all while being newbies at this entire venture. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, we don't know nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing about the real estate world. But to me, I feel like that's the fun part of it, right? Like just diving right in, learning as you go, experiencing new things together. So this is our first home that we're actually converting into our first rental property. And I feel like sometimes that's like the best place to kind of start and kind of learn from, which is with something that you kind of already have and that you already own. So that's what we decided to do, which is pretty much the same thing I did with this channel right here. When I started literally reviewing tech products that I already had, which I think the first tech product I had was a Google Home Mini. Yeah, I think it was a Google Home Mini. And a couple years later, y'all, I'm able to move into a space twice the size of where we actually came from, which is still kind of crazy to think about. So there's going to be a whole new YouTube channel that's going to be solely focused on like the real estate journey and all of that. And where we're just going to show you guys the full process. We're going to show you guys the ups. We're going to show you guys the downs. We're going to show you the earnings from it, the losses, the lessons learned, building out a contracting team and all of these different things like that. And just kind of overall how to go from a beginner like we are right now to pros on people who we inspire to be. So I'm excited for that, and I think it's gonna be a really dope channel and experience in itself. But mainly, y'all, let's get back to kind of this space right here and why I haven't really been dropping videos, because I've been spending a crazy, and I mean, y'all, a crazy amount of time building out this space right here. And now I'm not gonna show you guys all of it just yet, because there's still a whole lot left that I need to do, because I still got to get my computer stuff kind of set up that's behind the camera that you guys can't see right now. All right, so what up, y'all? So I finally got the doors put on. Looks really good, man, and I can't lie. Now the top of it up there is literally still drying up there. That's why it kind of looks wet. But as you can see, man, the doors going from the white color to this color in the space, man, complete total change, y'all. It looks super dope in the space. More to come. Stay tuned. Let's go. I still have to get a entertainment center that's gonna kind of go over here. This whole wall is gonna change. I'm gonna get a TV entertainment set. I also have to hire an electrician to get some Ethernet ports in here, get some more lighting in here as well, because I gotta remove this ugly ceiling fan and install some recessed lighting and some other surprises that's gonna be in this space and all of that. But all of that's gonna be revealed in a separate video. And also I gotta get the audio right, because there's a crazy amount of echo in here, and I apologize if you hear it. But nonetheless, y'all, all of that's gonna be in a separate video, man. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So if you guys are new here and you don't know, go ahead and hit that like button right now, as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for everything. Not just some of the videos. Turn on notifications for everything, so that way you notified when that video start dropping. So starting in this video right here, I'm actually gonna pop it up on the screen, because this is something I've been wanting to do for a while. I want you guys to text the code word right here on the screen to the number that's also on the screen, and that will sign you guys up for a text message list that I'm gonna be creating and just kind of building a community around, because I've always wanted to build one of these out, and this year is one of my goals, and I'm diving right in, because you know that's the theme this year, y'all. We diving right in, y'all, and this is gonna be a direct way for me to get notifications to you guys to do giveaways, raffles, when a new video drops, merch drops. Also, I might be sending out some exclusive music that you guys get to hear before the video drops, because yes, the raps is coming back in full swing, y'all. And there's gonna be other exclusive and free stuff that I'm gonna be doing in there as well. So I'm not gonna be spamming you guys with text messages all day, because I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't like getting crazy text messages all day. So I ain't gonna do that to y'all. It's only gonna be announcements, videos, and stuff like that. So, you know, you ain't gonna be getting a bunch of unnecessary texts from me, because I ain't got that kind of time. Also, y'all, there's gonna be a gaming channel, y'all. Now, I kind of talked about this last year, but I am gonna get it started this year. I literally have, hold on, let me grab it real quick. I'm building out, y'all. Let me grab it. I'm building out my first PC, and I copped a 4080 graphics card, so I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna be bringing all of that to the channel. Now, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I wanna be transparent with you guys. Now, I've really been debating creating my gaming content on this channel right here, since this is kind of where I have the vanity metrics and all of that, and also my game live streaming and all of that on this channel. Yeah. But honestly, I kind of want that content to live on its own and kind of be something else that I build up. So the name of that channel, y'all, is going to be called 21, to be able to match the name of the new space, which is this room right here, which I'm calling 21 as well, which also matches the text messaging group that you guys just got in as well, which is also going to be called 21. Now, I'll explain in the full room tour video when I do that here why I actually call this room 21. There's a significance behind the name, so just know that. But yeah, I'm hyped, y'all, for that channel, because if you guys don't know, I have a real love for gaming. Like, I'm talking nerd gaming. And right now, y'all, that Last of Us series on HBO is Chef Kiss, y'all. It is fire, y'all. Like literally, my favorite game of all time is Zelda Ocarina of Time, followed by God of War. Then it's The Last of Us, then it's Uncharted. It's a whole list, and in that order, y'all, just so you know. But on that channel, man, I'm basically just gonna showcase that nerd side of me to those of y'all that are interested in subscribing to that. That channel will be down in the description section below. And so come on over there, man. Hang out with your boy and nerd out with me. And we're gonna go live and all of that over there when it comes to the gaming content when I build out my PC. But overall, man, I just wanted to hop in here and do this video and just get on the channel here real quick just to give you guys a quick update to where I've been, what I've been up to, new ventures and all of that. Oh, and the last thing, like I mentioned, y'all, the raps are back in full swing. I know I kind of slowed down from doing them last year because I didn't really want, again, I'm being transparent with y'all. I didn't really want it to be oversaturated on the channel. But this year I'm saying, you know what? Forget all that. Like, I'm bringing it back, full swings, all of that. So if you guys love the raps, y'all, you won't believe the stuff that I've been writing behind the scenes for a crazy long time when it comes to this tech content. So just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, that's about it. Get signed up for the text messaging list, y'all, because I'm hyped to be back. And the first thing we got to kick off, y'all, is M2 Mac Mini content, which I'm hyped for. So I'll see y'all soon, and squad.